to correct, etc., etc. So, from your, in your opinion, Attorney Buko, magkano ang nawawala sa Bureau of Customs in terms of collection on a yearly basis na hindi natin nakukolekta properly in terms of amount?
Your Honor, we can provide the data.
Can you give me one? No? Can you give me, wala ba kayong Wala ba kayong like let's say yearly review na ito yung nawawala
Yes.
sa atin from Okay, can you give me like last year na lang?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I don't have the data.
How about
now.
this year?
I don't have the data. Your
Is it in the billions of pesos? Ang sa report nyo, ballpark figure lang? Millions lang or billions?
Cannot say.
Yep. Every year you have a review Di ba? Na-mention yan. Ito yung nawawala sa atin from Hindi mo man lang malaman kung billions or millions? Yan lang man? Idea?
Probably millions, Your Honor.
Millions lang, hindi naman billions.
Probably